Okay, so welcome back. So sa video na to, solve natin tong reflected XSS into a JavaScript string with angle brackets and double quotes HTML encoded and single quotes escaped. So basahin natin, this lab contains a reflected cross-site scripting vulnerability in a search query tracking functionality where angle brackets and double quotes are HTML encoded and single quotes are escaped. To solve this lab, perform a cross-site scripting attack that breaks out of the JavaScript string and calls the alert function. Okay? So, access natin yung lab and investigate natin tong search functionality. No? So, lagay tayo input, 1, 2, 3, 4, single quote, double quote, then lagyan natin ng angle brackets. No? So, search natin. Tingnan natin kung ano mangyari. So, investigahan natin kung ano nangyari dito. View page source tayo. And scroll down tayo, makikita natin dito sa baba na nasa loob tayo ng script tags again. And meron kang search terms, no? And yung single quote mo, escape. Yung double quotes na HTML code and less than and greater than symbols. So, ang pwede natin gawin dito, so mag-input tayo ng isa pang backslash, then quote. No? Ang gagawin nun is magiging backslash quote siya. So, essentially, magkaroon ka ng isang buong string, no? So, try natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, backslash, then single quote. Search tayo ulit. And investigahan natin. So, page source tayo ulit. Sa baba, makikita natin na technically, ito ay isang buong string na. Diba? So, ang backslash na to, ina-escape niya itong backslash and kino-close natin yung buong string. Okay? So, expand na lang natin yung payload. So, backslash single quote. Then, semicolon, alert 1. Then, comment natin yung mga the rest. Okay? So, search tayo. And, ayan, nag-trigger natin yung XSS. So, kung titignan natin to sa page source ulit, makita nyo na-close natin yung variable na search term, then semicolon, next instruction, alert, and then lahat ng to ay na-comment na. Okay? Kaya nag-trigger yung ating XSS. So, I hope na-guess nyo itong video na to and see you in the next video.